The president of the State Hospital Association says he thinks we're setting ourselves up for what could be a potential disaster in terms of new COVID infections. Don Williamson making that statement and other observations during a Facebook appearance today. Our Steve Alexander is in the studio with more on that. Steve.
Don Williamson appeared with U.S. Senator Doug Jones to talk about COVID cases and what could happen in the future. Williamson said the state is seeing about 1,100 hospital admissions a day. He thinks we're beginning now to just see the effect of the 4th of July holiday on cases, but that hospitalizations are much more likely to rise later this week and into next week.
And we're having 1,500 to 2,000 new cases diagnosed today. As we approach the gathering of children together in August in K-12 and in our colleges, I think we set ourselves up for what could be a potential disaster in terms of new infections and new demand on hospitals.
So Williamson says he thinks we have to do what's necessary now to limit the spread of the virus.
I think we have a very, very short window to get this under control. And if we don't, I think we will reap the consequences of that, both in terms of hospitalizations, deaths, and disruption to our routine lifestyle for a long time to come.
Williamson talked about several other subjects too. He says he endorses a statewide mask ordinance, but not writing tickets for violations. He says he's not really worried about hospital capacity statewide, but individual outbreaks concern him that overwhelm individual communities. And Williamson says he doesn't think another stay-at-home order is inevitable, but the time to get the case numbers down is now, before school starts. Reporting live, Steve Alexander, Fox 10 News.